Always wonder that what is the difference between a high paying software engineer and a low paying software engineer. So from my past 10 days 12, or maybe 12 days of doing DSA and 100 days of code challenge, I realized that I am doing questions, I am solving maybe one or two questions daily on lead code, but almost out of these 10 or 12 questions I only able to understand two or three max, and other are just for numbers. So from there I find out that the main difference between a high paying software engineer and low paying software engineer, the major role plays is fundamentals and the core subjects. So I just realized that the questions I am not able to do is almost due to weak fundamentals. So I am not easily able to even apply the for loop. From there, I realized that I need to strong my fundamentals and work on my fundamentals. So for that, I am like back to basics, not zero. So I am starting it again from basics, and I am mostly watching all the lectures again, maybe three or four. So if I skip this now, I will be regretting it later because I will be just doing numbers. So for this, for myself, I have to do this, and I have to watch these lectures again. Maybe watching these lectures only take me maybe 1 or 2 days maximum. But if I skip it now, it will build a regret for longer, and I will regret this why I skipped it. So my advice is to you is that you also have to focus on your fundamentals and core. If you skip this today, you will be regretting it tomorrow. So it's better to do it do it right now. If you are not able to do even a single question by yourself, and you are feeling stuck, so in my case, people say array is the easiest one, but I am lacking there. So I find out my that problem, that fundamental problem. So I am now started working on that problem, and I also suggest you that you should also be reviewing your problems, that why is this occurring and what you can do about it. So by changing it, only 1% improvement can enlarge, can compound to a large number, and it can have a high growth in next 6 months or 12 months. So you should be focusing on fundamentals and core. So if you are skipping these, then you are ruining just your life and wasting time. So it's better to focus on fundamental first, because these doing DSA on lead code is just numbers. You are just increasing numbers, not learning, not gaining anything from this. So focus on fundamentals and core subjects, because that's what give you real knowledge.